Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add effects to a clip in the CapCut app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our projects. From here we just select the one that we want to work on. Then here we move to the clip to which we want to add a effect. We click on it. Then here in the bottom row we have effects, as you can see. We tap on that. And here we have three options. We can apply video effects, body effects, or style effects. Let's see the video effects one. Here we have a bunch of trending ones, pro effects, open and closing effects, etc. But let's see a motion effect. This 3D zoom, for example. Then it's going to be applied, load. Afterwards we can just tap on this OK sign to to finish it, and yeah, afterwards we will be able to see it. Just a moment, or let me show you an easier one, a simpler one. This open up. As you can see, this is how the effect looks. And yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.